welcome to E&A Blogs. Down here, Todburn Manor, down in Dorset. Starting off on Little Hayes, just down here on a day session. All the rods are out. We'll show you where they are later on in the video.
It's been a bit quiet this morning, so we haven't really seen anything show. We got down here just after first light when the shop opened. We set up sort of middle of the lake just to try and see what's about, but as of yet we haven't seen anything show or any bubbling or anything really, so just going to see how it pans out. There's loads of room to move, so we're just going to see what happens for the morning.
A couple of guys opposite us, they done the night last night. Don't think they've caught anything, so
the water is quite cold, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
so
very cold out here. So
we've just pinged 2 rods each, sort of middle of the road. A couple of bright ones on just to sort of test the water, but we can change to some solid bags or anything that can do us a bite.
Yeah, and if you're new to the channel, give us a like, subscribe to us, and just leave a comment what you got for Christmas this year. So this will be coming up just after Christmas Day, so I wish you all a happy new year, and yeah, just keep an eye out for us because we're going to be doing lots of fun things in 2020.
Something a bit different to the usual.
Yeah, looking to go to Europe hopefully, do some Belgium trips, and lots of your typical
day ticket fishing.
Yeah, day ticket fisheries all up and down the country. So we're down in Dorset, so we're going to travel. We're going to do your Farlows, we're going to do your Linears, plenty of local waters to us as well, so those guys who are local to us watching, hopefully we can give you some tips. Hopefully we catch, I don't know about that. We've got some noddies. Yeah, so a team of 3 of us. I'm Sam.
I'm Hugh.
And we've got another lad called George. He's currently in Austria skiing, so I think there's a little clip coming up here.
He can't really catch any fish, so he's better off skiing anyway.
So here's a little clip from George, just saying hello.
Oh, I wish I was fishing again. Back at home in Dorset, on Todburn Manor, with Sam and Hugh, trying to catch some chunks. I'm George, by the way. Back to you, Sam, at Todburn.
So you just met George. We'll be going out fishing soon. He's on a tight schedule of work, like we all are. Well, some of us are. And yeah, so we're doing day sessions, stalking, nights. Hugh's on a couple of syndicates local to us. So we've got plenty of club waters which we're fishing. So yeah, so that's it really. Yeah, hope you enjoy the video. Alright, so I just taught you through where I'm fishing today. Just got one just about here in the middle, just a scattering of boilie, just on a little bottom bait, and then I've got my other one tight to this island. A little pop up on a little stiff hinge. Basically clip the bank on the way down just for any patrolling fish, hopefully around the island. Hopefully just pick up a quick bite. There's a nice little bit of slack behind there as well. So yeah, see how it goes. going to make a quick little change, go into a little PVA bag setup. Just got a little leader on, little 2.5 ounce inline, small little hook link to 2 yellow bits of fake corn. Just put in a little bag filled with bloodworm pellet, and yeah, see how it goes. That's it. Come to the end of the session. Unfortunately, we just had to settle for the one catfish. Not ideal as we're going for the carp, but
Happens to the best of us.
exactly. So we've got a couple of sessions booked up over New Year, one just before. So we might vlog them up for you guys. But yeah, happy New Year, and yeah.
Enjoy watching us blank. This is ENA Blogs, take 2. Is it going?
So you got that. First light, when I swim, nice in the middle bit. Yeah, in the middle bit. Just a comment down below what you got for Christmas. Cool.
Peace out.